So I got the CRX in, one problem, engine seized up. Now I have to go find a motor. Any motor will do, I just need it running. A D series, anything. I'm gonna have to go to the junkyard, I need to find one. So I'm out. I'm going through each road trying to find a Civic of some sort, anything between 90 and 2000. There's a Civic over there in the corner I'm gonna go check out, see if it's salvageable. I'm rolling up on the Civic and lo and behold, I see the transmission sitting in the passenger seat. That's not a good sign. Usually when you see a transmission out, the motor's already gone. And let's check out that mileage real quick, and sure enough, that's some low mileage. I'm pretty sure that motor's not in this one. Lo and behold, there's a motor. Transmission already is out for me. The D16Y8, I need another set of hands. Let's get it out.
Pretty sure the reason it didn't read. Sorry, stuff's falling in my face.
Bleeding. I rolled into the cherry picker here, so unfortunately I forgot chains. Lo and behold, my good old friend here, aka Perfect Stranger, showed me a little tip here, and he cut off the seat belts off this thing, and we used those as ties instead. So we strapped the seat belts on and held on tight and pulled that motor out. Alright, finally got this motor out of here. 120,000 miles on it. Great job. It went a lot faster than I thought it was. I thought I was going to be out here for another 30 minutes. So, good deal. Good deal. It's rainy. Hopefully it stopped raining now. I'm dirty. I'm ready to go grab some food. Alright, time to load it up in the trailer, or this bucket thingy, and then we'll load up in the vehicle.